but also emotional and spiritual wounds. Many think that Uriel's energy can aid in the process of healing and renewal, giving people the fortitude to endure hardship. Getting in touch with Archangel Uriel, exercise and prayer. People frequently use meditation and prayer to connect with Archangel Uriel. A sense of presence and direction can be made more accessible by creating a calm environment and concentrating on Uriel's virtues. Seekers hope to get insights and attune to Uriel's energies through meditation. Uriel's presence indices. Uriel is said to communicate by means of oblique indications, such as the appearance of a flickering flame or a warm sensation experienced when thinking deeply. Uriel is thought to be close by, therefore, people are encouraged to follow their instincts and accept the advice being given by these indicators. Archangel Uriel in art and literature, religious text depictions. Numerous religious books, scriptures, and apocryphal works mention Archangel Uriel. Uriel is not as frequently mentioned as other archangels, but his contributions are noteworthy, especially in stories that stress the value of knowledge and direction, representations in art. Artists have attempted to convey the spirit of Archangel Uriel in their creations throughout history. Uriel's representation in art frequently includes a torch or a book, emphasizing the angel's function as an illumination of minds and hearts. These portrayals of Uriel as a lighthouse serve to spread his legacy. The meaning of the flame of Uriel as a sign of hope, light, the flame that is connected to Archangel Uriel, has a rich symbolic significance. Uriel's energy is thought to infuse others with optimism and positivity, much as light banishes darkness. This symbolism highlights Uriel's function as a lighthouse even during the most trying circumstances. Changing and renewing, fire is frequently associated with change and rebirth. The flame of Archangel Uriel stands for the capacity to spark inner transformation that promotes spiritual and personal development. Uriel's presence is believed to purify ideas, deeds, and intentions in the same way that fire does. Uriel, the Archangel in modern belief, modern day spirituality. Archangel Uriel occupies a key position in the world of New Age mysticism. Numerous practitioners call upon the energy of Uriel for assistance, healing, and guidance in their spiritual journeys. The angel is a well-known symbol for those looking for holistic well-being due to its universal qualities, universal viewpoints. The presence of Archangel Uriel cuts across specific theological lines. Uriel's attributes of wisdom, insight, and goodness resonate with people of many faiths and beliefs. This ecumenical appeal demonstrates Uriel's ability to bring people together in their search for greater truths. The message of Archangel Uriel to modern humanity: increasing awareness. The significance of awakened consciousness is one of Archangel Uriel's most important messages for contemporary humanity. Uriel leads searchers to a greater comprehension of themselves and the world around them by enticing them to look more closely at their thoughts and deeds. Environmental management. The significance of Uriel's status as a figure of light and transformation for environmental stewardship cannot be overstated. Humanity is urged to change its relationship with the earth and take on the role of responsible stewards of the planet's resources, just as fire transforms. Fake. Anyone able to communicate with Archangel Uriel? Absolutely. Regardless of one's background or beliefs, everyone can access Archangel Uriel's energy. How do I summon Uriel's assistance? Archangel Uriel can be called upon through prayer, meditation, or even just by making an intention to connect with the angel's energy. What does the flame of Uriel represent? The flame of Uriel stands for light, hope, transformation, and the ability to overcome obstacles. Is Uriel's message still relevant in light of today's issues? Yes, Uriel's message of knowledge, awareness, and environmental responsibility is quite relevant in the modern world. Conclusion. Archangel Uriel shines as a beacon of knowledge, direction, and transformation in the tapestry of celestial creatures. Uriel's flame transcends all cultures and traditions, illuminating the way of wisdom and enlightenment and bringing comfort, inspiration, and healing to those who seek it. Archangel Uriel continues to be a staunch ally, lending a helping hand and a guiding light as mankind makes its way through its journey on earth. Author Mumtaz, TheServingSoul, God-gifted healer medium. Founder of Healing Heaven Global, a platform for powerful, advanced, intensive spiritual soul karmic healing for 20 years. Here is the end of search for spirituality. Number 1, Spiritual Soul Karmic Healing Center in the world, Spirituality Simplified. Dear light souls, thank you for watching, and please support us and others by sharing this valuable information with your family and friends who are in need of a spiritual soul and karmic healing workshop.